channel. My name is Fabiola. For those of you that don't know me, I love to create lifestyle, fashion, and beauty videos, and I would absolutely love it if you consider subscribing to my channel if you have not done already. Also, make sure to follow me on my blog at FABIOLAGBEAUTY.com. So today we're going to be trying out some magnetic lashes from the brand Eyelure London. And Eyelure London and Octoly sent these out to me so that I could try them and review them. So I decided to do a first impression dash review on the lashes, and I can't wait to see how they look. And I do use lots of lashes most of the time, but I use the lashes that have the glue. So this is fairly new to me, and we're going to be trying it out together in camera. Let's see how all this works out. So it says it's very easy to apply. It says it's a 5-minute application. You're supposed to apply the liner and allow it to dry. Step number 2, you're supposed to apply 2 more coats and then apply the magnetic lashes to the liner. And you don't need any glue. They did have different styles, so the one that I chose is this one that looks really, really pretty. They're called the Faux Mink Wispy, and they look gorgeous. So let's go ahead and try it. It does say that you can use them up to 15 times. It says 15 wears and long lasting. And I don't have any eyeliner right now at the moment. I only have like my eyeshadow. So here's the eyeliner and here are the lashes. Aren't they so pretty? So these lashes have little magnets. They have like a total of 4 magnets. How cool is that? Here's a better close-up so you can see how the lashes have the little magnets throughout the lash. And I know magnetic lashes are so popular right now. I know a lot of different brands have come out with their own like magnetic lashes, but this was like all new to me with the eyeliner. I thought that was like pretty cool. So let me zoom in and get all close and personal with you. So the tip of this eyeliner looks very promising. I'm happy about that. I'm excited. I can right away tell you that the eyeliner is very, very pigmented. And normally with my eyeliner, I would do like a winged line, but this time I'm just going to keep it simple. So we're gonna do that, and then I'm going to do the other side. And I'm going to make it as close as possible to the lash line. And I'm also making it a little bit thicker than I normally do. So here it is. Now I'm just going to wait for it to dry, and then I'm going to apply 2 more coats. I think the only downside to this is that you have to wait for it to dry. You have to do it a total of 3 times. So that is a little bit more time consuming than the normal glue itself. But if it works, that'll be awesome, because basically you're saving time applying the eyeliner, so it's like 2 in 1. So that has already dried, and I'm going to go ahead and apply a second coat. So this is coat number 2. We're going to let that dry and then apply 1 last coat. So I think that is dry. Let's go ahead and apply coat number 3. Almost there, guys. So there is coat number 3. Now we're just gonna wait for that to dry, and then for the final reveal, we're gonna see if those lashes stick to my eyeliner. Okay guys, so it is finally dry. So I always use a pair of tweezers to help me with applying my lashes. I don't know how this is gonna work since they are magnetic. I don't want them to stick to the tip of it. So I'm just going to very, very lightly try to hold the tip of the lashes. Can you see that? They're like attached to this, to the tweezers. So I'm just gonna like take them like this. Oh my God, how cool is this? Can you guys see that? It like literally just attached to the eyeliner. What? Can you guys see that? That is amazing. Oh my goodness. It works, guys. It really does. They attach so well. This is like literally my first try. It's like I'm a pro. Oh my goodness, this is like the easiest thing ever. They look beautiful, don't they? Like this is the one with the lashes and the one without. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay, let's try the other one. Okay, so here goes the right side. Can you guys see that? It just like literally just attaches to your lid. This is so cool. This is like awesome. Oh my gosh, how awesome is this? This one here is a little bit more harder to attach. I'm wondering if I just didn't apply enough eyeliner, but it's attached now, so I'm guessing that worked. I just feel like I need to position it more closer to my lid. Oh my goodness, they're both on. You guys, I am so impressed with these lashes. I love them. I can't believe they attached so easily. I was really thinking it was gonna take me a couple tries. I am not a pro at applying lashes whatsoever. So I am like really impressed. I think if you can apply eyeliner, this here would like definitely work. And I really can't see the little magnets. I was worried about the magnets that you could be, you know, that you could see them, but I don't think you can. They're black and they're really tiny. So, oh my goodness, can you guys see, like if I close my eyes, you can't see a thing. And it literally took me like 5 minutes. The only downside to this was that, like I said, you do have to wait for the liner to dry in between coats. But other than that, once it's dry, you saw how easy it is to apply. Just literally just attaches to the eyeliner and boom, you have some gorgeous lashes. I am so impressed with these. And they do have like other styles. I don't know how many styles they have, but I love these. I'm so impressed, you guys. Let me know in the comments down there below what you guys think about these magnetic lashes. Have you tried some magnetic lashes in the past? Let me know. I'd love to hear your comments and feedback. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. I'll see you next time. Mwah! So much better.